What's on the menu?
I'm going to make a meringue.
Oh, yum.
And meringue can be tricky to make, but if you do everything right from the start, you'll be fine. Okay? So one of the most important things is your eggs. You want your egg white to be room temperature. Very important. You want your bowl, if you do it by hand, if you do it with a Magimix, you want it to be clean. And to be clean, first you wash it, of course, but after that you wipe it with vinegar, white vinegar. It sounds very silly, but you want everything on your side not to muck it up. If you can muck it up, you can't do it. It's quite simple. So here I've got my Magimix, my Cook Expert, very, very clean. Egg white. Sounds silly, you don't want any pieces inside of eggshell, you don't want any egg yolk, you want fresh and room temperature. If it's from the fridge, it's not going to work. And I got some icing sugar that's been sealed, a pinch of salt, and that's for your meringue, okay? So first thing I do is, Vanessa is going to set me up with programs, so it's 12 programs here, so you can steam, slice, stir fry, shred, grind, make smoothies, you name it, it doesn't stop, okay? One machine.
So
and
what are we going to do with this?
We're going to put on an egg white program.
Yep.
And we're going to put a pinch of salt. And are you ready?
I am.
I don't have my glasses, so I'll let you put it on a that's it.
Yep.
Done?
Okay.
And we're going to put for 7 minutes. But after 4 minutes, we're going to incorporate the icing sugar rapidly, but not in one go. I repeat, rapidly, but not in one go. Take your time, Vanessa, it's no rush.
No, I just wanted to make sure that I did the right amount of minutes, because I know that if I get it wrong, it'll make me look bad.
I'm going to blame you.
And we can't do that. So we are going to pop that on. But in 4 minutes, you're trusting me in 4 minutes to add icing sugar,
yes.
correct?
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
Okay.
The pressure.
You ready?
Yep, okay. Speed. Oh no, it does the speed for me. That's
All
right.
done.
Of course. I'm just going to hit start.
Yeah.
David, you forgot something.
What did I forget? I put the salt.
No, the whisk.
The whisk.
See, one job.
Whisk goes in here. Done.
Beautiful.
So if you can go inside here, first it does break the eggs progressively, and the machine actually worked out the speed that it needs to go. Same with the food processor. If you do a dough, the machine will understand how hard it's got to go to be processed. Okay? So here we got a little bit of a firm start to build up, and after 3 minutes we're going to put the icing sugar.
Is it cold?
So here we're getting busy here on the bench. We got the prawn cocktail, we got the chicken roulade.
I need them both. I'll keep the cold.
So here what I'm trying to show is to do individual dining experiences, or just put that as a platter for Christmas or summer entertainment, or winter, because really in Australia we don't have really a winter. Okay. Here we're going to do two things. Here I'm going to make. What am I going to make? I'm going to make a coulis, which I'm going to do a red fruit coulis. Here we've got berries. Right now there's an abundance of berry, raspberry, blueberry, boysenberry, strawberry. You can use. There's about 12 variety of berries as a family. Some of them are stupidly expensive, but you can do anything. If you are on a budget and you can only use strawberries, just use only strawberry. Right?
Beautiful.
So,
so I've set you this up one for your cream and this one up for your berries.
Wow, getting organized, very good. Big improvement.
I'm trying.
So yeah, I'm just putting all my berry here. Again, it's not hard. You can do that the day before, your coulis, nothing wrong with that. Little bit of sugar. And the lid.
Yep.
Merci. And you got it set up on a...
Not yet, but I will.
And we're going to set it up.
So we're going to do this on the smoothie program.
Smoothie program.
Wow. Another program for us to play
Also, there's an app, Magimix Mag. It's got over 100 recipes on the app. It's a free app where you got everything from dessert, entree, appetizer, seafood, meat. Everything is there. Recently, we need to plug it. Here, I cannot do everything. I did a Madeira cake. Every time I make it, I used to fail. Use it on a Magimix. It's clockwork. It just works. Okay, so we're ready there?
Yeah, now it's plugged in, it's going to work.
Okay,
I'm positive. Okay.
So there's a program, so you don't need to plan what's the speed, what's the...
So we're going with our blender and we're going with our smoothie. So correct. Do I just hit go?
That's it.
That's it. That's
and
all I have to do.
One of the things also if you go inside here, I'm going to show you that. Wait, okay. Up you stop, you cannot have any accident, quite child-proof. You turn it, have a look here inside.
Wow.
Okay, it's quite amazing.
That's been like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. So it's very, very powerful. Thank you so much.
How many was the eggs in for?
So yeah, we're just doing the coulis, the meringue's happening. Have a look here, young lady. Vanessa?
Risk program. Yes, sorry.
We're going to incorporate, I'm sure, very shortly.
Yes, I am. I was just about to check that, David. I promise.
We should be ready.
There are 40 seconds left.
You see, I wasn't too far. So yeah, we're just going to incorporate by spoon.
Do you want me to do that?
Yes, please. Have a look here. Can you hear? Come on, Noel, you got to keep it up here, yes? So
the pressure.
The speed's going. And you don't have to cook it. I do nothing. This is a program smoothie. So you do a mango smoothie, a berry smoothie. You end up with a very smooth texture, and it's done. Little bell doesn't ring for 20 minutes where it drives you crazy. One ring, done. And are you ready? And that's our first thing, is our beautiful, vibrant berry coulis. Okay? Here I've got again some more berries. And I'm going to do crème fouettée, which is a crème chantilly. Here I'm using some thickened cream. I'm going to go the whisk, don't forget. Crème fouettée, crème chantilly. What's a crème chantilly? Just thickened cream with icing sugar. Some people can put a little bit of vanilla. I think we've got enough flavor here with the berry. So I'm just putting the cream, icing sugar. And that's going to go very quick, okay? So you've got to be careful. I'm just going to get the lid somewhere. The lid, which should be coming shortly. Here we got all the icing sugar has been done. If you look here, I'm just going to show you. Stop it and start again. Look at that.
Oops.
You see, soft peak.
Do I need to scrape the sides down?
Sorry?
Do I need to scrape the sides down? Or
yes,
will that...
you can do that. And then here I've got a tray. Good team, huh? We could be married, people think.
Oh gosh, no.
She's too high maintenance. Here, when the meringue is ready, we're going to pipe it. Obviously, I've got a piping bag. We've got a nozzle, it's called.
Oh, this is
just do a little round, little disc. And we're going to bake it 110 degrees for about 45 minutes.
Okay, do we
so
get
I'm going to do it anyway.
To do your cream.
No lid?
Right. Yeah, it'd be just 1 second.
Okay.
I think someone stole the lid. No, I'm joking. All good.
All right.
Yep. So this cream's going to take about how long?
1 minute.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. So I'm going to set, you want me to set this for 1 minute? And you reckon that you can whip cream in a minute?
Yeah.
How long would it take you to whip cream by hand?
By hand will be probably 4 or 5 minutes, and you could over whip it.
No,
but then you will turn it to butter. Sorry about the Bitton product just in the middle of the television. That's crazy, yeah?
And how fast am I going to do this? I think we're at 6.
Yes, 6. You can go on 6.
Okay, go.
Look, Noel. I love your name. Very French. Okay, and pretty good timing now. So here I've got the crème chantilly going. The meringue, how long we got to go?
Oh, no, I reckon it's just about done, David. I reckon you could have a look at that, and I reckon you'd be impressed with my work.
Very good.
Call me the French chef.
Very good. So I'm going to show you. Yeah.
Did I do good?
It's perfect.
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 Want to hold it over your head? Can I hold it over yours?
You can if you want.
Oh, look at I did it. Yay.
We're going
this
to do
machine
the same.
just makes it amazing.
Make sure we keep an eye because this is going very quick. Little bit more.
Little bit more.
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm going to pipe it here. So you have to pipe. You just make sure you get your pipe around your hands and use your fingers to actually scrape it.
Oh, I reckon I'd...
Done? Perfect. Again.
Have a look at this, Noel. Isn't that amazing? A minute.
But you could do some nice little madeleine, another recipe on Magimix. Little madeleine, crème chantilly, little bit of strawberry and vanilla jam. Just an idea, you know. Okay. So here your meringue is perfect. You just get, turn it around, turn it, and then you start turning, and then you just go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, we're going to smash it.
Yeah, true. Some spoons.
Okay. And that's it. And just put it in oven. Again, meringue can be done much in advance. In oven, 110 degrees, 45 minutes. And then if you want it more, if it's still a little bit soft inside, it's okay because it's a bit chewy inside, which is really nice. And then with the acidity of the berry cream, the consistency of its berries in the mouth is going to be beautiful. Thank you. Have a look again at the crème chantilly. Same, perfect. And that now you can get stuck to it.
Did I do well again?
Yes. So here I'm going to put the dish together. So here again we're going to do it two different ways.
Food just tastes better when it looks nice. And that's why I think it's nice to go to restaurants, because they always make it look nice.
So make sure, like if it would have gone 30 seconds, it would have been turning to butter. And you just, again, you can do that in the morning, keep it in the fridge. You don't need to have too much. You think like, oh, no, it's enough because it's quite rich and it's a whipped cream. Like this is a heart attack material, yeah? Done. And then you're just going to finish with a little bit of coulis. Now, you can't tell me this is difficult to do. Of course, I got help, I got free machine, but if you're organized, really, 4 machines, so one is very pretty. Here you got that, and I'm going to do a big one here.
Those meringues are perfect.
You did it? Or maybe Rose?
No, they weren't mine. They were mine hasn't been tasted yet.
And here again, you do a big messy tray. I'm thinking like a Jamie Oliver.
This would just be your serve, or would you have to share this? Because I wouldn't be sharing. There's no way.
You could finish with some little bit of mint leaves, which we should have somewhere.
Some little micro herbs,
little micro herbs. Again, it's all about presentation. And then you got a beautiful deconstructed pavlova or a beautiful Eaton Mess, also, some French. Bon appétit!